You're tasting the sweet fruit of home education. You're tasting the sweet fruit of nurturing emotional connection with your child for perhaps the first time in a very long time. You are getting a revelation of what it means to live life together, because home education is not just the fastest growing form of education. Even before the coronavirus, mandatory home education, it was the fastest growing form of education because it works. It works, and it's God's plan that parents carefully teach their children when they wake up, when they walk about. Deuteronomy talks to us about that. Carefully guide your children, carefully teach your children. Imprint upon them your DNA, mom, dad. That is what God's plan is for us and our children. And now the whole wide world is getting a taste of that, rather than weary, exhausted kids waking up at early in the morning. You're screaming at them, throwing them out the door, catching the bus, walking them, driving them to school, whatever. They come home with a backpack full of homework. You can't even talk to them till 8 o'clock at night. They go to bed at 8:30, 9:30. You have no quality time when you're not drained and they're not drained, and you're always studying for the next test, the next test, the next test. What I'm saying is, this reprieve, this pause, to me, is a divine invitation for so many parents to say, I volunteer to go back and revisit who I am and what I'm about.